What's up, y'all? I'm about to make me some shrimp scampi. Hope I set my camera up right. Hope y'all can see this area right here. If not, I'm about to show y'all. There go my shrimp I peeled. I'm sorry, that's my shrimp pearls. That's the shrimp shells. We're gonna make a stock with that with some white wine. And I got me about 12 jumbo shrimp. See those nice shrimp? 12 jumbo shrimp. But what I'm about to do is I'm about to put it in a brine for about 15 minutes. So in my container right here, I got 4 quarts of water. And that 4 quarts of water, I'm putting 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar in there. And 3 tablespoons of salt. And that's 4 quarts of water. So take that and stir it up. Stir that up. Like I said, I got 12 jumbo shrimp, which is about a pound. It was 1.3 pounds, or whatever. So, stir that in, stir this together. And let's add those shrimp. Ooh, I'm making a big splash. Alright. So add those 12 shrimp. About to put the top on it and put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Alright, y'all, over my stove. Hope I'm positioned correctly. Alright, I got me about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in my skillet. I'm about to add these shrimp heads and shrimp tails in there. I'm sorry. Shrimp heads and shrimp shells. We're about to make a good shrimp stock for our scampi. We're going to let that fry down until it get a little brown at the bottom. And we're going to deglaze this with a cup, 1 1/4 cup of white wine. I'm using dry white wine, some Chardonnay. Alright. In about 4 to 5 minutes. Now let's add that white wine. Ooh, my phone probably steaming up. Let me tell y'all, if you have never made a shrimp stock with white wine for your scampi, you don't know what you are missing. Alright. Now, we're gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes till the alcohol cook off. And then we're gonna strain this, and that's gonna be our stock for our scampi. Put a little top on it so we can get all that flavor in there. Alright, let's see. We ready. Been about 5 minutes. That's all you need is about 5 minutes to render that taste out of those shrimp. Alright, that's it. Smells good. Alright, time to go strain this. Alright, hope I'm still in the pot, y'all. I got me about 2 teaspoons, or maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm about to add me some sliced garlic. And as you can tell, my pan is not heated high enough yet because I don't hear it sizzling. That's about 6 cloves of sliced garlic. Gotta get this some garlic flavor in this scampi. Alright. In about 3 to 4 minutes, that garlic got good and fragrant. Now let's add that wine/shrimp stock back to there. Steady building flavors, baby. You also want to add a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, a half a teaspoon of salt, and about a teaspoon of black pepper. Add that to that. Stir it around for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we're going to add our shrimp. Also, preferably for me, I like to add a few pinches of pinch number 1, pinch number 2 of Slap Your Mama. Y'all know I had to put me. Y'all know I had to put me some Cajun seasoning up in there. All right, y'all know most people saute their shrimp, but we're not going to do that. Remember, we brined them, so we're going to poach them. We're going to poach our shrimp. I know it don't take shrimp long to cook. We're going to poach our shrimp for about 5 minutes. So, about 5 minutes. And we're going to take these shrimp out. Then, only thing we will have to add is our lemon juice and cornstarch slurry and our butter. All right, y'all. It's been about 7 minutes, and we're gonna take these shrimp out. To let y'all know, my noodles are cooked already. I'm doing fettuccine noodles, so I can go and take my shrimp out. Look, they're good and juicy and plump. Take them out. We'll put them back in when we finish the sauce. All right, y'all. We're about to add 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. That's what I have in here. And we're going to put that in there. And I tell you, the flavors on this is amazing. I'm telling you. You make shrimp scampi like this, you'll never want to make it no other way again. Alright, last but not least, let's add that 3 tablespoons of pure butter. Let that melt in. Let me turn it down the fire a little bit. Turn it on medium. Let that butter melt in. And your sauce is going to be good, smooth, and creamy like. And it's not going to be greasy because you add that butter in there, that cornstarch. That cornstarch is going to stop that from being greasy. Alright, I turned the fire off. All you got to do is add the shrimp back in there. So it's pretty much, I'm holding the phone, y'all, so excuse me. Just fold your shrimp back into that sauce. And you're ready to plate this over your noodles. Shrimp scampi. And the flavor, I tasted the sauce a while ago. That sauce is amazing. Make sure y'all can see it all. Y'all see it? There we go. That's the finale, y'all. There go my shrimp scampi. I threw a little Parmesan cheese on top and a little parsley. Now, let's see what this tastes like. I know what it tastes like. Y'all see that? That's it. So delicious. All right, y'all. Look at that. Told y'all, there go my shrimp scampi. Look at that. Look at that. And my mushrooms y'all seen me do? Nah, it's time to taste this. Nah, do like the Italians do. Let me take it and take them noodles and twirl around that fork. Like that. Oh, this is going to be messy. Let me get me a shrimp. All right. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Baby, y'all got to try this. Y'all got to, And them on the mushrooms I made. Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm not making it for you. Y'all see me do it? Gonna make you some. Bye, y'all.